Namaskaram. The year started in July with the 10th installation ceremony and new committee taking over. The team with Jyotsna Angara, Priyanka Ganeriwal, Padma Rajgopal, Sumalata and Usha Rani turned out to be a great workforce. Governing board members Pinky Reddy, Hina Srivastav and Veena Bandari were also pillars of support. A talk on the sari and textiles of India by designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee at the installation had members go back with renewed respect for the garment. The first program for the year was in August and on women's role in governance and policy making by the Honorable Chief Minister of AP, Sri N. Kiran Kumar Reddy. Along with Information and PR Minister Srimati D.K. Aruna, he highlighted initiatives for women in the state, examples of rural women making a positive change in governance and how we can contribute. September saw the year's first issue of Connect, the chapter newsletter, edited by Monica Agarwal and team being launched. Mrs. Chaya Momaya, image consultant, spoke on You the Brand, covering personal branding, the art of communication and creating positive impressions. October's informative and motivational session on the A to Z of franchising by Mr. Chakochan Matai also had Dr. A.G. Ravi, a corporate consultant, provide information on its legal aspects. At Tarun Tahiliani's journey from Wharton to fashion in early November, members learned of the business of fashion and career opportunities offered by the industry. Ethics and transformative values for professional women followed, with witty observations by Venerable Tenzin Priyadarshi, a Buddhist scholar and Harvard graduate. His talk was aimed at redirecting creative energies into responsible actions and reiterating the importance of value systems in the corporate world. The retreat to Visakhapatnam in November included a port visit which threw light on the working of the huge logistics hub and shipping industry. As part of the first-time initiative of making Flow Hyderabad broad-based, a workshop on entrepreneurship was conducted at the Vizag Geetham University for 300 management students by Ajita Reddy. In December, Brahmakumari sister Shivani enlightened the audience on leadership skills, explaining the finer points of being a leader, a thoughtful human being, and their importance in work life. In early January 2013, members were encouraged to take part in a midnight march mooted by a group of organizations to reiterate the importance of safety for women. Reverse Innovation by Professor Vijay Govindarajan at ISB had the members in awe of one of the world's leading experts on strategy and innovation. A workshop on project management by Mr. Vijay Prasad provided insights into the needed skills and gave an in-depth understanding of execution of projects. Soon after Republic Day, Ms. Pratibha Advani screened her film Tiranga. She spoke on the changing colors of India, the relevance of patriotism and the role of women in bringing about positive change in the society. In February, our members participated in the Flow Interstate Meet at Mumbai. An evening of productivity and public health emphasized the role of the industry and of entrepreneurs in it, with Padma Bhushan awardee Professor K. Srinath Reddy, President World Heart Federation, and Sangeeta Reddy, Chairperson FICCI AP. On Women's Day, Flow took part in a 5K run. We also organized a talk on positive thinking by Ms. Sumalata, who spoke to 70 lady bus conductors in Telugu. Later in March, as a Flow cultural evening, members were treated to a play, 10 Years with Gurudutt, by Satya Saran at the beautiful Falaknoma Palace. Spreading Flow's base in AP, a workshop on empowerment, entrepreneurship and multitasking was held in Vijayawada in March. The audience of 400 management and engineering students of KL University inundated speakers Rekha, Padma and Ajita with questions on how Flow could help hone their business ideas. The year drew to a close at an annual dinner event with spouses. Dr. Devdutt Patnaik, mythologist and author, analyzed Business Sutra in conversation with Mrs. Shobana Kamineni of Apollo Hospitals. The Flow CSR team, headed by Ajita Reddy, recruited specially trained teachers for 4 government schools who helped the children improve their ability to communicate. We associated with HELP, which built 2 classrooms in one of the schools. Another unique initiative of Flow is that of mentoring young women who have just moved with jobs to Hyderabad in adapting to the urban life and work culture. It was overall a fulfilling and satisfactory year, with members and women from different backgrounds and economic strata gathering valuable information, learning and benefiting from the programs. My heartfelt gratitude to all those who helped make this happen and took Flow Hyderabad forward.